Hello from Slovenia again. So sorry I start pouring without turning on my camera. So I already poured some black background on my 12 by 12 inch canvas, and I will do a swipe again, and I will add a little of this extreme sheen gold, just drizzle it on the canvas, just hopefully get some nice interest, and I will swipe with paper napkin dumped in my white. So, and I will not go just with, you know, from the middle or something. I will try to go, I don't know, like this, and then maybe like this. I will just try to go with the filling. So I have my white on my napkin, and I don't know, let's start here. Place it down and swipe. Okay. And let's grab another one. And I have problems here, you see. Maybe I should use this smaller kind of napkins. Let's see. Better. So maybe I will cut them in the smaller parts and use them like that. Still, tripped into my white, but maybe it's not a big deal. We will see. One more here. Okay. And now I will do one just across. Here. Now I have to finish this part here and this part here. Okay. I will turn this around a little bit. I messed up something with my push pens. Let me cut this napkins on the wider, not wider. on the stripes that are, you know. And I will go here. I don't know why I'm using my left hand. I'm not left-handed. Okay. And I will go my napkins don't want to go apart. Let's do one here. It was a weird one. No. This is not what I was hoping for, so I will just go from here towards the sides. It will be a minimalistic thing, so okay. It's quite a lot of gold. I didn't expect as much gold. And what I'm thinking is that I will go from the middle towards the sides here. have black here in. I dripped some black in. Okay. Let me turn this around. I want some white line here, a little more white maybe here. And maybe I will go here once more. Just I had a little different thing in my head, and now I just can't get there, and now I'm not as happy as I think that I should be, would be. Okay, and another white line with more white, or how can I say? Okay. And the last one. Okay. And I will leave it like it is because it's interesting and minimalistic, you see. And I think that when it will be dry with all this gold, it should look pretty good, but you never know. I wasn't expecting as much gold. I thought that I didn't add a lot of gold, but still I got quite a lot of it. And I had a little different thing regardless to how I want to swipe in my head, but still turned out quite interesting, I think. Maybe I should do this more you know, round line, but I don't know. I love these interesting details. Hope that you see them. So, tell me what you think about it. It's too dark, maybe? Or I don't know, I kind of like it, so definitely I need more, I don't know, thinking about how to swipe that I will get the results that I had in my head. So I will play some more and hopefully get there. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.